Yung love story. So, bali ano to, old school mga lads. So, ito yung intro natin. Parang i-revive natin. Where do I begin to tell the story of how great love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love she brings to me. Where do I start? With her first hello, she gave new meaning to this empty world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time. She came into my life and made the living fine. She fills my heart. She fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. She fills my soul with so much love, and anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with her alone. Who could be lonely? I wish her hand is always there.